Today I will show you how to double your RAM size. Let's go to the video. First go to My Computer, right-click on the empty place and click Properties. Check the RAM size. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Go to Advanced. Click on Settings. Click Advanced. Then click Change. Under Virtual Memory Session, deselect the option called Automatically Manage. Click Custom Size. Open Calculator app to calculate the initial and maximum size for the padding file. Enter your RAM size and multiply with 1024. For example, my system has 4 GB of RAM. So 4 into 1024 and again multiply the total MB value with 1.5. Because the maximum virtual paging file is 1.5 times more than physical RAM. Enter the final result value in initial and maximum size boxes. And click OK. The system now asking to restart. Click OK. Done. Now system double RAM size and capable to run high-end games and softwares. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.